So if your iPhone or Apple device is in a
Okay then. I'm sorry you guys had to see that.
So if your iPhone or Apple device is in a boot loop, or if you guys forgot your password and then it says connect to iTunes, then this is the video for you. So like me, I actually got my phone stuck in a boot loop, so I'm gonna be showing you guys on how to restore it. If you did not make a backup, it's also, like I said, this also the video for you. If you forgot your password and it says connect to iTunes, you have to restore it. So this is also restoring. If you guys need to connect to iTunes and back up your stuff, then you're basically screwed, like how I am. So you basically get like a new phone, all this apps, photos, videos, and all that stuff you didn't back up, and everything on your phone that you didn't back up, will you basically will not be getting back. But it is better than just seeing that all the time. At least I can actually go on my phone once you restore it. So yeah, enjoy the video, guys. Alright guys, so I'm in a boot loop, so I'm going to be showing you how you can get it to the recovery mode. So what you're going to do is tap on down here with my thumb, right here, and then up here, that button, hold them both at the same time, and your device will go off. So you see the Apple logo, it's going to disappear. Okay, so once it does that, then you guys want to open up your MacBook, and then get a charger for it and plug it in your MacBook or your Windows. You want to make sure you have iTunes installed. So if you're on a Mac, or Mac that comes with iTunes, but if you're on Windows, then I'll have a download link down in the description. Or you can just go to Apple, the website for Apple, which is, I guess, Apple, or search up iTunes in Google, and then just download iTunes from the Apple website or whatever. So here's the Apple website, and then you can just download iTunes from here. Moving on, but you guys actually want to connect your HDMI that has your phone charger part into your computer. My MacBook Pro does not have an HDMI port, so I had to buy an extension, which is right here, and I plugged it in there. But it's basically the same thing as plugging it into your computer if you have the HDMI port. Alright, so once your device is off, you guys want to then plug it in and hold the home button down, which is this part right down there. Just hold that button down. And then you guys should get an option like this. So there's your phone, it's plugged in, and you guys see the restore option. And then on your computer, because it doesn't read your phone because it's in a boot loop, but on your computer now, it would read your phone. So it says there's a problem with the iPhone that requires it to be updated or restored. So this problem may be fixed by updating your phone, which preserves your setting to contacts. If it doesn't work, maybe it's necessary to click restore, which erases all settings and content. If you backed up this iPhone to this computer or iCloud, you'd be prompted to restore the backup onto the iPhone. So updating, it's not going to really do anything, so we're going to tap on restore, and for the video's sake. And then, are you sure you want to do that? Restore and update. And then it's going to update me to the latest iOS, which is 11.2.1. And I'll press on Next. Agree. And then it's going to go through the whole process. It might take a little while depending on, how long it's going to take to download the new iOS firmware or version. So be patient. I'll get back to you when it's done. So it says iPhone recovery mode. iTunes is downloading the software for this iPhone and will restore your iPhone when the download is complete. So we're just going to wait patiently for that to be done. So guys, it's been about 18 minutes, and you see the screen. It's almost done. I'll be back, guys. It also says verifying iPhone restore. There's like a blue progress bar, so it's about to be done. So actually, there we are. Your iPhone has been restored to factory settings and is restarted. And please leave your iPhone connected. It will appear in the iTunes window after it restarts. It's just vanished, and I guess it is restarted, and we're going to get it any second right now. So it's actually loading up again. So hopefully this is the last time it loads up, and then we should get the iPhone again. Like a new iPhone, and get it on the latest iOS firmware. So guys, here we are. That process probably took about 20 minutes about, And here we go. We are back, and now we're going to complete the steps for like the new phone and see where, see what happens. English, United States, quick start, Wi-Fi. All right, so I'm connected with the Wi-Fi. Nets. And there we are, guys. And the SIM card is not in right now, so I gotta put the SIM card in. But that's basically how you guys do it.